Hello.
Hi. Take it on.
Yeah.
Oh, we just sat on each other. I'm not doing that again. I'm not trying to do it again. Did it have fun? Huh? That was not fun. No. Here we are. Al, have you heard from Sarah?
She said we're at the bottom of chair 8 like an hour ago, so not since then.
Are these the trees you went through, Al? Are these the trees you went through?
Maybe.
No,
I was just following Mac.
I'm kidding.
Oh no.
It's
Yeah.
because they're baby trees. Did you go through the trees?
Yeah, a bit.
Oh, fun.
And I didn't know where you guys went, so I just followed Mac.
I thought I was following Mac, but there's 2 guys that have the same combo as Mac.
Mac is easy to spot, so.
I know, but there's multiple guys that look like you're saying the same thing. What? Are we? Yeah. Are we in a fight? Different in results. Wow, that's oh, bummy. Oh no.
Do you guys know if that's Shuksan or Baker?
I think that's just the Shuksan side.
That's Shuksan.
And Baker's on the other side. I'm not certain, but I think so. Because this is the. I'll show you the map. Are you warm? I'm hot. You're hot? Molly Jones is hot? She's hot. I didn't know that was possible. Yes, this is about Shuksan. Gorgeous. It is Al.
Shuksan.
And then Hemispheres is the one directly ahead. And then off to the right is Mount Baker. Can't see it. Mount Shuksan's peak is a little more craggy. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's crazy. So we could go down Deals. Deals.
Deals.
The nosedive. This stuff maybe we should do. Oh, there's not a lot of runs. No, there's not. But these are good, all good runs. But we should maybe wait and warm up a little bit. Yeah. So we can do. Where are we? We're on this lift. Okay. So we could take a different blue down right soon. Oh, but then we gotta come back over. We gotta C5. Deals to nosedive. And then take that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let's do that. I just don't want to go down here. Yeah. Not right now. Or the danger cliffs. I think we'd have to maybe start a block. Have you been up? So you've been to the Yellowster Butte in the summer. Mm-hmm. Have you been to this area in the summer? Other meadows? No. Have you? Mm-hmm. Is it nice? It's nice, yeah. Cool. But it was cool because we took our avalanche class like over here. And then we parked here. And it was cool to see what we skied in the Abbey class in the summer. Nice. You know, it's like, oh, that was a lake down there. I didn't know that. Oh, that's really cool. Yeah. Yeah, how much it changes. Yeah. That is always really interesting. It's like a whole other environment. When I went snowshoeing with my family, we went just like up here. It's funny how like not far you go. Right. I think it's actually really good that I'm resort skiing before touring, Elle.
Yeah.
Considering how my legs are feeling.
I think so.
My thinking was to like tour today and then resort tomorrow so that I would save the bulk of my legs or I would have the most energy for that. But I think it's still not enough.
Sarah's touring at Baker tomorrow.
She is?
Huh?
She is?
Yeah.
With the avalanchers?
What?
With the avalanchers?
Yeah.
It's the avalanchers. Oh, with the avalanchers.
Well, we don't know what the forecast is going to be for tomorrow yet. Troy's also going.
Troy's going tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
Troy's going tomorrow? With who?
A couple of his friends.
What a dick. I just fucking hate how he high grades them. He and Ben all the time. They'll make plans and then they'll change for cooler plans.
Nothing cooler.
To be fair, we didn't really pick a place yet, and Baker is a little far.
Well, we didn't pick a place, but like the Central Cascades were higher risk, so
Yeah,
it was
but
like
we don't know what the forecast will be tomorrow or the weekend until yesterday. I think.
I just feel like Troy's always like wanting to do stuff and then he bails. Maybe he doesn't with you, but he does that with me.
He's a tortured Aquarius with a water moon.
It's just really frustrating.
Yeah, no, I don't think it's not frustrating, but I do think our plan was kind of loose.
I'm like in this phase of life where like my feeling of place is so tenuous that if a plan is canceled, I like deeply spiral. And I know that, so like I know that.
I've been working on the same thing, and you feel it in your whole body.
Oh yeah.
Have you done any parts work around that?
I'm doing a lot of work around a lot of it.
Doing a lot.
But it's just, I don't know. I feel, it makes me sad. It makes me, because it's a barrier to my friendship with him and Ben. And then they could say like, oh, well, it was a tentative plan, but like, okay, when was the last time I saw him? It was pack rafting.
That's nuts.
So, never gonna see him if you don't keep plans.
Yeah, hard to nail down. He like looked different. See? Yeah. His hair was a little longer. He seemed almost like softer, not like body, but almost like his eyes. And I don't know if that's like sadness or maybe not being as like kind of rigid with Lucy, or
Maybe like when you go through hard things, you become more compassionate.
maybe, yeah. Or he just had a lot to drink.
Interesting. How is he doing with it? How are they both doing with their job stuff?
Ben said it's been pretty frustrating. Because like this guy was like asked him for an interview, and then 5 minutes in was like, you know what, I'm gonna be honest with you, like we're looking for someone with more experience. And Ben was like, you knew how much experience I had, and you still like scheduled my day around that.
Yeah, and like got your hopes up. And
Yeah, and he's like, oh, you know, or you know, kind of want to hold up people out for quarter two. Are you fucking kidding me? Like.
Was his whole like, oh, I've got 8 interviews, I'm fine, just kind of like a, do you think?
Yeah, he's probably hopeful. But and then Troy is about it.
I don't think he's really applying for stuff yet.
He's still getting on his feet. He's talked about moving in with Ollie.
Okay.
Maybe they did break up.
Yeah, maybe.
I'm looking at all these orange jackets for you.
Like a bird one. Really cool. It could be this guy. Should I drop my goggles right now?
No, he's not going to see you. Maybe he just had really nice ear.
I don't think so. He did have trouble putting his feet on it.
Yeah, it's pretty funny. After he was telling me how to do it.
I think he was kind as he could be about that.
It's hard. I feel like as a guy, I'd be constantly like, fuck. Like, do it.
Right, yeah. He's like, okay, she's gonna try again, I'll wait.
Yeah, I'll give her 3 tries. But his key,